Hi there, Matt Farler from DocuSign University, here to tell you about a nifty capability of DocuSign e-signature, one that will make communication and collaboration between you and recipients of your envelopes faster and easier than ever before. I'm talking about comments. Comments are a powerful feature that senders of envelopes can add while in the Adding Fields view. Click the talk bubble at the top of the screen and drag the comment circle anywhere on the document you wish. And you'll see a comment thread appear outside the margins of the document. You can start a thread that your recipients can all respond to and interact with you. Recipients can also create their own comment threads during signing, asking questions and collaborating both with the original sender and all other recipients. You may also direct comments at particular parties to the envelope and even ensure that they're the only ones who can see it. Whenever comments are posted, the sender and all prior recipients receive an email notification that will allow them to open the envelope and respond in real time, so negotiations can easily go back and forth and questions may be answered quickly while the recipient is still signing the envelope. Learn more about comments and many other e-signature features in our e-signature administration trainings at DocuSign University. Links are in the description. We hope to see you there.